Thank you very much, Dana. Governor, it's an honor to have you with us today. To my colleague, Dave Flynn, you know, Dave, I don't understand it. I mean, you pointed out Mike Gomes, and Mike, every time you saw Mike, he was concerned and worried. Every time I see him, he's got a big smile on his face. That's because Flynn took care of the problem, I guess, right? But let me just, to Lou and to all the members of the Board of Trustees, certainly David for an outstanding job that he is doing at DCAM. This is an exciting day, and it's just extraordinary what is taking place here today, not only for Bridgewater State College and the students that will be the beneficiaries of coming to a state-of-the-art, cutting-edge facility here at this campus, but it's an exciting day for southeastern Massachusetts as a whole. And I would say that this is a big deal because this makes us a center, not only in southeastern Massachusetts, but with collaborations that are going on now and will in the future. We're going to be the place to be here in southern New England, because of the vision and the thoughtfulness and the planning that was put into this, and the willingness of a governor to listen and learn about that vision, to understand that that choice that was being made to pick, there's literally hundreds of projects that are all set up, they're all queued up, they're ready to go. Which ones are you going to choose? The governor that chose the vision that was put before him because he shares that vision. So I just want to begin by thanking Dana Malafaria and Governor Patrick for their leadership and their commitment in choosing to make this a reality, to bring it to us and ready to this model will now begin to take real form and come to life here at this campus. Earlier today, I told a story that I want to share with all of you about where we are right now. It's no secret we're in a global economic crisis. Our state is facing some of the most difficult challenges that it has ever faced. We have to go back to the great times of the Great Depression to get to similar circumstances where governmental leaders at every level, local, state, federal level, are challenged more than they have ever been challenged before. And so, too, those challenges exist all across our Commonwealth, our nation, and, quite frankly, the world, with public and private sector trying to figure out how we're going to get through this together. In a recent briefing, well, it wasn't recent, it was several months ago, with the Committee on Senate Committee on Ways and Means, in which I'm privileged to be a member of. We brought in economists from all around the state in New England to try to advise us as Ways and Means members as to where we were as an economy and what we need to be doing to help ourselves through this problem that we're all facing. And they told us a couple things that are significant, and it's got a lot to do with today. A lot to do with today. They said, firstly, we want you to know that as you enter this recession, which could have been a depression if it were not for the actions taken by our new president, as you enter this recession, they told us, you should know that the good news is Massachusetts is very competitive. We're extremely competitive, and it's because of the investments that have been made historically in higher education, the connection between public and private higher education, healthcare sector, biotechnology, the clean tech technology, all of those things. We're really starting to move just as the floor fell out from under us. He said, okay, but the floor fell out from under us, so what are we going to do? He says, well, they told us that it will depend now on the choices you make, they told us. The choices you make while we're in this recession as to where you will be competitively when we all come out of it. Will we meet the challenge? Will we make the right choices? Will we continue to invest when we can see the future where we all need to go, where things are going to be happening, where we're going to have, the biotech sector, the bioengineers, the jobs that will be created. I just want to conclude my remarks one more time by thanking Dana Malafaria for his extraordinary vision, his leadership on this project, his leadership as the president of this outstanding higher education institution. And I want to thank Governor Patrick publicly here today, because, the Dean and I could try to get that bill through the House and Senate. Dana could have that vision. We can have everybody working together, as we have many times before, right, in southeastern Massachusetts. Teed something up before a governor's office, waiting for the yes. Everything has been done. Waiting for a yes, waiting for a green light. Yes, go do it. And time again, we've got the no. Those economists said the choices. I want to thank Governor Patrick publicly today for making the right choice for our collective future. Thank you all.